And this is what my hair looks after using our DIY hair serum. Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. First of all, I want to congratulate all because we have reached 80k subscribers. Yay! If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notification. Because people who subscribe to my channel live a happy and peaceful life. First of all, I want to show you my dress because I'm totally in love with this dress, this floral beautiful dress. But anyways, this video is not about that. So let's move on to today's topic. So guys, today's topic is hair. Since we all are obsessed with hair, beautiful hair. So today I have come up with amazing DIY hair serum recipe. No chemicals, we used all natural ingredients for beautiful frizz-free hair. Are you guys excited? Let's jump right into the video.
For this we need aloe vera gel, fractionated coconut oil, rose water, vitamin E oil, essential jasmine oil. Take a jar to mix all the ingredients. First we are going to take 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 2.5 tablespoons of rose water, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Blend all the ingredients together in a high-speed blender. Your gel is ready. Now store it in an airtight container. It looks something like this.
So guys, before we use our hair serum, I wanted to show you before and after. So for the before, I have shampooed my hair. I didn't oil my hair before like I generally do. And I always use conditioner. So I skipped conditioner and oiling because I wanted to see the frizziest hair possible. And that will help us to find out how effective our new hair serum is. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have my hair damp now. It's not wet, it's not super dry. I have got water with me as well in case I feel my hair is drying out. So I'm going to use a little bit of more water and make sure my hair is damp. So let's begin.
Divide your hair into small sections and apply it thoroughly.
So to use the hair serum in a most effective way, it is very important to use it on the damp hair. Please remember this. This is underlined. Please use it on the damp hair, not wet hair, not dry hair. There are 2 advantages of using hair product on the damp hair. Number 1, your hair absorbs it better. Number 2, you will need less product on your hair. So it's a win-win situation in both ways. So guys, make sure you have damp hair. So my hair is very close to dry, so I will use a little water and make my hair damp. Once you're done, take a cotton t-shirt and wrap it around your hair. Keep your hair nicely wrapped in the cotton t-shirt for 10 to 15 minutes. This will allow hair serum to penetrate deep into your hair and give you nice frizz-free hair. So I see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's unveil our hair. And this is what my hair looks after using our DIY hair serum. I'm absolutely impressed. What do you guys think? So the frizziness is completely gone. You can see from close as well. If you're following me on Instagram, then I'm going to post a few pictures of before and after hair after using this hair serum. So don't forget to check it out, and I take your leave now. I see you guys in my next video. Till the time, keep smiling and keep it happy and frizz free. Bye.